Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be mocking up my side skirts and my rear lip for my GS300 right here. Very excited to see what it looks like. It will be getting probably wrapped soon. It won't be getting painted, so it'll be installed just like this. But yeah, just sit back and enjoy and watch.
Wishing to have one more fight left in me. The life I see, what's left in me. Burning bridges to the ground. Take away what's left of me.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the channel. I'm excited to get this kit put on. Been waiting for a long time. So I will be put on unpainted because I will be wrapping the car soon. Please comment below on which color you think I will be wrapping the car. I kind of know which color I'm going to be wrapping it, but tell me what you guys might want or what you might guys think. So once again, thanks for watching. Until next time, peace out.